Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save Instagram draft reels to your gallery. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and create a fresh draft right here to reels. Okay, for example, this photo. I'm going to go ahead and just tap on next. And then I'm going to go back, close it, save draft. Okay. Now we have a draft right here, or the draft section. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on edit. In here, tap on got it. Now, while you're on the editing section, all you got to do is just tap on this down arrow key. Tap on it. Now this tab will now be available. So just go ahead and swipe right until you see this download button. So just tap on it and save it to your camera roll. That's it. Video saved. Go ahead over to your gallery. Find Instagram or the Instagram folder and you're good to go. All right. And that is how you save Instagram draft reels to gallery. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.